Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. We heartily welcome you all to our YouTube channel cadcaemaster. If you enjoy what you see, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an upload. In this session, we'll see the exercises related to the part modeling. So we'll go through the some of the examples like the bearing bracket, arm bracket, anchor clip, as well as the gear cover. Let's get started with this. Okay, so let's get started with the exercises. So you could see the image. So we call it as bearing bracket. So first we need to analyze the projection. So if you press Q, these are these default planes. In the isometric view, the model is symmetric with the right plane. So I'd like to start with the top view of the bearing bracket. So here it is front view. Now sketch. So I need the center rectangle or ticket. The dimensions. It's quite difficult to assign, so at the moment I would like to take it as 60 for this one and 30 as this. So this is 30, press tab to switch. This is 64. Yeah. So now I would like to have the structure of slot. I would like to use the slot from here to here. They have given the dimensions, right? The outside total is 26. So enter. This is done. So yeah, similarly this side. The total distance is 26, right? Yeah. So this is done. Inside one they have given it is 11. I'd like to do the same here. This is 11. Again, there should be 11. Yeah, but you have specified the dimensions there, it didn't took, so I'd like to specify them again. This is 26. This is 11 here. Similarly, this side. Yeah. This entire structure should be construction, but right now I'd like to keep it as it is. So these two will join. Similarly, the side I would like to do the same from here to here. I'd like to give these two tangent, and here also I'll do the same thing. Yep, but this is still moving, so we can use the trim so that it can fit there. Well, the structure is ready, it's fully defined. Again, here you can see it is underdefined. You can drag it, remove that. Well, so next thing is to create the circular shape. It should be exactly at the center somewhere here. So they have given the diameter as 30. Yeah. So again, the inside diameter is 19.1. in the sense I would like to keep it 19. So distance of the center from this line they have given, so I'd like to specify from here to here. It's 45. Yeah, and these two should be vertical. That's fully defined. Up to here it is perfectly fine. Now you can exit the sketch. Yeah, so now I need to draw that sketch. Before that, I'd like to complete this. Yep, the total thickness of this is 10. So minus 3 is 7. So we'll do that. So I'd like to go ahead with the extrude, and then this feature, not this one, so only the outside one. So okay, let us do one thing. We'll completely extrude this up to 10 mm as they have given. Correct? It's already 10, right? And now in this sketch itself, I'll select the same sketch. Again, I'll extrude. This time the region are this, this and this, right? This should be 7 mm. You can see the preview. This is how it looks like. This is perfectly fine. And now next thing is that structure I would like to extend. The distance they have given from the outside to there, it is 20. So let us see how we can do that. So total distance is 40 offset. So here I'll specify offset distance of 10. Not a border direction, it should be only single direction. Yeah, this is fine. The total distance should be 40. Quite difficult to understand, but later we'll see how we have calculated this. Okay, this is done. Now exactly at the symmetry I should have one sketch, so I can refer this plane. In this plane I should draw this curve. I'll use the line. So from here it should be like this, and it should join somewhat here. And now for this I should specify the dimensions. Let me take it complete. Yeah, that would be better. So I would like to offset this. The distance is 10. This is fine. Next thing is they have given the distance from here to here. The distance is 10. Yeah, this is fine. And they have given the radius. The outside radius is 20. The inside radius they have given it as 10. If you specify this, it will be the same. Now this and this should be collinear. Now this is perfectly matching. What I will do is I'll close this here, and as it's a circular, I'd like to have it there a bit inside so that it should match exactly. Well, this is fine. Now can again exit the workbench and go ahead with the extrude. This time it's mid surface. From the mid, the distance is 30. So you could see it should still extend, and somewhere the diameter what they have specified is a bit more. Okay, let us do one thing. Just click on green check. Just edit the sketch. So just double click on it. Drag it up to the center. So you can activate the reference axis. This and this, you can make it collinear. This is fine. Exit. Now this is perfect. What I'll do is I'll just again hide this. I would like to remove this face, so simply you can select that face, sketch on it, You can use the convert entities. Done. Exit. Now we can just select that sketch, just move it downwards. Sorry. Control Z. This is the sketch. If I move it downwards, it should remove material. Yeah. I think this is perfect. We'll just check once again. Everything is fine. Yeah. Looks fine. The fillets everywhere, it is radius 3. So I'd like to specify that. So you can activate fillet. Just select the edge. Fillet is here. Fillet radius is 3. Define it and select the edges. So this whole edge, I'd like to specify this and this as well. Yeah, I think it's too much. Fillets 3. Okay, let me keep it 1 mm. Let us see the preview. This looks fine. Yeah, here and here as well. Here it doesn't take it. This and this too. And here as well. Seems good. Yep. You can simply click on green check. Let me just select this. It's for the fillet. Yeah. For the fillet, I would like to keep it yellow. And for the complete body, this is fine. If you want, you can even assign the color appearance from here. There are metals and solids. Okay. Let me see. Solids are these. I don't think this looks good. Yeah, this is fine, I think. But not that good. Let us see the metallic. This looks fine. Yep, so I'd like to keep it background, and this is how it looks like. Well, your model is ready. This is how you can design this. Let's start with this. This looks quite difficult, but let's try. Yeah, I would like to draw the rough sketch. This is the one up to here. I'm just drawing it like this, and one more as a reference. Yeah, so from here I need an arc. From here I think it's exactly at the same distance to here, to here. Yeah, from here I need the arc. It should join here, right? Yep, this is what it looks like. Now let's assign the dimensions. I'd like to cut it here. Yeah. Well, let's see one by one. So D for dimension. So there is a center. From the center reference they have taken this distance. Total is 38. Now I need a circle. I would like to draw it somewhere here at the center. They have given the diameter as 28.5. Oh, it's pretty big. Diameter is 28.5 confirmed, and then they have assigned the dimension from here to the bottom edge. It's 30. Yeah, this is clear. This radius they have defined, it's 70. Whoa. And they have assigned the inside one, it's as 25. Yeah. And this distance they have given, but I think this can't be movable. This and this lies in the same thing. This is no need to worry. And they have given this dimension from here to here, it's 40. Okay, this distance should be 30 plus 8.75. This is correct. Later on we'll see what exactly it is. Yeah. But still these are moving. I should fix this distance, I feel. For that, yeah, we can do that. From the center to this, they have defined a specific dimension, that is 130. Yep, this much is fine. But somewhere this is not what I'm looking for. This is 30, but this rectangle size should be different. So to analyze that, I should deal with this slot. The slot total distance, how we can measure the outside radius they have given, it is 16 radius. Okay, 16 plus 16, I should have it. 32 plus 38, if I do, I'll get it. Yeah, 38 plus 32. Now this is perfect. And this dimension from here to here, it's 10. Yeah, now this is what we are looking for. This is perfect. Let's design these things now. Okay, so you can exit the workbench. So this is a sketch ready. You can use this. This distance they have given, this is from this edge. 24 plus 10, 34. Right? 34 plus 16. So here 10 plus 24 plus 16 is this. Green check. This is done. Right? This cutout, anyway, it will be created automatically. This distance is 10, so just select again. This and this should be 10. This is done. And now again, this total distance is 45. Sketch. Let this from the mid surface. It's total 45. Yep, we have the rough sketch now. Upon that, we should clear these things. they have given the diameter inside. That also we should do. Forgot actually. Yeah, we'll do it now. Radius 20 they have given. So what I can do here is fillet. Let's try this. Preview. Nope, it is not giving the preview. So side face is this, middle face is this, bottom face is this. Perfect. And now there should be a cutout. Sketch, C for circle. Reference of this is exactly here, but I don't think I should place it here. Let us see. Destroy it. The diameter is 20. Yeah, perfect. Should be there. Just drag it outside. This is done. So again on this face, oops, that is a mistake. Let's check this. This is the extrude. This shouldn't be exactly like this, so I can edit this. And here it shouldn't be from mid surface. If you take it mid surface, it won't be correct. Just give the offset of 5. If you give the offset 5 and if I keep it 45, this will be perfect. Do you think? Doubt. Let us see. Should I keep it 5? If you take it 5 inside offset, it will start from the center. I feel so. This should be perfect. Let us measure this. 17.5. This is also 17.5. Yeah, now it is fine. Take the top plane, and here the cutout is 25. Again, it's a quite difficult task. Okay, so they are told this should be 25, and it should be exactly at the center. Best thing I can do here is just simply draw a line just for my reference, make it construction, and now the center point, this midpoint, make it horizontal. This distance should be how much? 30 minus 22 is 8. Yeah. Yep, so this is done. So I can exit. Can just move it downwards. Cut this isometric view. I think this is fine. But somewhere I feel this distance is a bit less. Need to check this distance. You can switch to this basic location from here to this is 17.5. It is 18.75, and this distance should be 30 from the center. What do we do for this? Go to the sketch, and this is 38.75. There should be more. This is 30, and from here radius is 20. There should be 58. But wide is 7. 30 plus 20, it should be 50, right? Yeah. I can exit. Now this is perfectly fine. On this one, we should sketch the slot. We have it here. Slot from here to here. Dimensions will specify. Thus they have given it exactly 38. And this distance they have given it already. It's 16.7. We know this dimension 38 is done. So next we should define the distance from here to here. They have given it as 16. Yeah. This is 16.7. Yep. But still, is it moving? Yeah, it's not exactly in the symmetry. You can take the center reference, this point and this point, vertical. This is perfect. And then they have given the fillet radius 16. You can assign that later on. Next, at the workbench, you can cut this material. Yeah, so here it is 16. Similarly, not this. This is the one. Can delete this face from here, and this is what we need. Up to here is fine. I think it's almost done. Next thing is we just need to assign the fillet. So let's start assigning that. I'd like to keep it 1. I'd like to select everything. You can see these are selections all outside in one shot. This is perfectly fine. So here also I'd like to specify these 2 edges along with this. This looks fine. Yeah. Now let's assign the appearance. This time we'll take this. Bracket body, and for the fillets we'll apply something else. Yeah, so this is how we can design this. Keep it in isometric. This is how it looks like. We'll see one more exercise. Control and Nav. The name I would like to specify now itself. It's anchor clip. Yeah. Now for this, the best thing is Q isometric. This looks like this. The front view is fine. We'll start from here. This is the sketch, and up to here, and this, right? And now the dimensions. Up to bottom it is 25. This total distance they have given it as 58. Yeah, they have given the angle between these two. It's 90 plus 60, 150. Yeah, the total distance is 20 plus 30, 50. This distance is 50. Yep, this is done. The thickness they have assigned is as 8. Second is the offset. Chain is active. Select everything. Just mention 8 and reverse it. Looks perfect. Yeah. I can close it by using line tool. These two done. They have assigned the radius. Value, it's not so clear. Let me just find out. Okay, just instead of wasting time, we'd like to take it as it is, what we have taken there. So right now let it be like this. Later on we can assign it. From the mid surface, the total thickness is 14 plus 12 plus 14. So I can just take it mid plane. It is 14 plus 12 plus 14. Yeah. Now fill it again. This is the one I'm looking for. This face, and this face. This is perfect. And then we have the cutout here. So you can just select this face, and cutout is 12. So for that, I'd like to select this. It's better go ahead with the center. Easy to just define the center reference like this. You can press tab and can specify this as 12, right? And this should be vertical. That's fine. And they have given total 10. This distance from here to here, it is 10. This is more than sufficient to cut that off. Exit and just drag it towards that side. Sorry, shortcut does like that. Just select it, drag it. Need to select this, very important. So now these two slots, quite difficult. Let's see. Slots, better. Yeah, we'll draw one side. This is the one. Reference is this. Yeah, construction. This is 18. Yeah, this is 6.6. Yep. So from here to this edge is 12, but still underdefined. From the center we haven't assigned. From here to here it is 10. Perfect. Can mirror this. Mirroring is all these. Mirror about is this. Perfect. Can exit. Just again cut it down. Last one is this face. On this face, C for circle. Reference, I would like to take this. Radius they have given outside 20. Doesn't matter. Diameter 25. Right, and then we have the slot. Slot is exactly 25 degrees from here. Let me draw line, one more line to a certain distance. Define the angle between these two as 25 or 45 sorry. Then there should be a slot, center rectangle, or yeah, let us try. Doesn't work. We'll use this. It's only one side. Let it be. Slot distance of 5. Dimensions, sorry, they should be 2.25. Yeah. Mirror these two and mirror about this. Perfect. They should be for construction. This is also construction. This is also, sorry, not this. Well, we have this ready. Just simply cut it off. Well, we'll use extruded cut. This is the sketch. Contours also this. Yeah, isometric view. This is exactly how it looks like. Slot is there. Yeah, finally the fillet here, and I think somewhat here too. Here and finally here. This 1 mm is more than sufficient for me. I think remaining everywhere it's fine. No need to specify the fillets. Yeah. So can assign the color only for that. Fillets. I'd like to keep it low. And appearance this time will change somewhat different. Bronze. Fine. Plain white. This is what with respect to background that is creating the issue. This is fine. Let me see this. Yeah, this looks fine. Yep, I think this is done. No issues with this. All sounds good. Yeah, so we'll start from the top. Now, if we carefully look at this gear cover, so they have given the distance 165, not exactly the rectangle dimension, but something else. So what we can do here is, I'd like to draw 2 circles exactly here. This is 1 and 2. Yeah, so outside is 13, inside is 10.5. This is 10.5, and this radius is 13. They have given it is 26. Yeah, and this I'll simply close it at the moment because remaining it not necessary actually at the moment. We'll take it like this. So I would like to just mirror this one this side. Total dimension, I'd like to take it as 165. Yeah, exactly at the center. I'd like to draw a line. It should act as a reference. And now still moving. This and this should be vertical. Coincident or midpoint or anything is fine. Yeah, that doesn't matter. It's a reference. Yeah, now we'll mirror this whole thing about this. This is perfectly fine. And now I think this line again, it's a reference. Yeah. Now we should draw the rectangle. So let me draw it somewhere here like this. So this distance I know they have given it as 150 and 5, and this did they give the distance? Yeah, it's 50 from this edge. From this edge to exactly here, it's 50. This is fine. And now I'd like to take it inside. I don't know how much, but I will get that value. This is total 165. This is there. It should be like this. They have given the radius value as 65 in the sense this dimension should be 65 plus 65. Yeah, and if this is the symmetry, and this and these two should be coincident to each other. This is perfect, but somewhere I'm worried about these dimensions. This is 10.5 is fine, and outside radius is 13. This is also okay, but somewhere, let's think about that later. This is clear. Up to here is fine. Now it's 65, right? Yeah. Now you can specify the same thing. You can exit now, I feel so. Q exit. Now the first thing I would like to do is this one, extrude distance. We don't know exactly. It is from there to there. It is 115 again, right? 115, done. So I'd like to again have the fillet, the last one, the surface, and the surface. I think so. Let us see. This is fine. Next thing is this. This is exactly lying over there. Distance is 10. Let us try. Extrude this, and this. Similarly, this side. Distance is only 10 mm. Yeah. This is perfectly fine. I need to have the plane, very important. If you select these two faces, exactly it will create the plane exactly at the mid. Okay. I need it here on this plane. I'd like to sketch what? A reference. This is one, and I would like to close this just for reference. Okay. Yeah. So there is again a reference line for me. Can even have it. Angle is 45 degrees. So angle between these two is 45. And now this exactly from here to here, it is 25. Yeah, this should be horizontal. You can make this as a construction. This and this, you can make it collinear, and you can drag it out how much you want. That doesn't matter. This is perfect. Exit this and cut it off. Both the sides, you can press M, drag it outwards, release it, cut off. Yeah, you can hide the sketch. Up to here is perfectly fine. Is that? But before that, I should create a shell out of it. This cutout is not needed here. Okay, what I can do is I'll delete these. Can do it later on as well. This is fine. Now you can use the shell. These two faces should be removed, correct? Yep. And this is perfect. It's 5 mm exactly. Yeah, I could see that. And now let's do this. Sketch. Very important. I don't know where to place. So the reference is this, and this should be vertical. This is fine. Dimension, he has assigned it as 70 per right. Distance from here to here is 70 or 60 it is. Yeah, this is fine. This went well. Can remove this as done. If I create it now as the shoe, the fillet should be created here, right? Yep. So this edge, you can just select this face. Sorry, this is the one. It does, and it has 2. Let me just see the preview. Well, we need to create that sketch, so let me just do that on this face. Sketch. So they have given the dimensions. It should be exactly at the center. So C for circle. Another location where I need to draw. Just like to refer this 1 and 2 is done. Simply draw it outwards like this. Just close it. Dimensions we knew. Its outside is diameter 26. Inside is 10. Yeah, so this and this should be vertical. It is 17.5. Yeah, this is done. You can exit the workbench. Total thickness is done for this as well as for that. Yeah, both the sides symmetry 5, correct? Yeah, so it should be symmetry, it should be done. So the contours, this and this. Perfect. Yeah. Now the next one is this. You can refer the sketch. You can draw it now. This as well as these. It's needed. Later we should cut it. Yeah. This is done. Inside is perfect. Now I should remove this faces. Best way is cut it down. Select this face. Yeah, this convert entities. Even this and this convert entities. And then you can just take this convert entities. This is filled. You can just exit the workbench. Just move it slightly downwards. Yeah, cut it off. Done. This is clear. Now finally we should apply the fillets. I'd like to drag this fillets downwards, or let us assign it separately. Yeah, not the inside one. This I should remove. Clear everything. Top face, this one and this. Yep. Similarly at the bottom, this edge and this one. Similarly this side. Yep, this looks fine. Can just assign the appearance. Yeah, finally to summarize, we had gone through these exercises, that is bearing bracket, arm bracket, anchor clip, as well as the gear cover, and we had seen few of the advanced techniques like using the counter methods and how we need to use the shell and other steps. We heartily thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram for behind the scenes content and the updates. Stay curious, stay awesome, and see you again in the next video.